Electromagnetic induction. In this lesson, the map will be divided into 3 parts. So إحنا the first part will be about an introduction where we'll talk about a revision عن إيش أخدناهم السنة الماضية, which are the first part, it's the magnetic field. So we'll talk first about the magnetic field, what is its definition, okay? And then we'll talk about the magnetic field which is created by a magnet. And then magnetic field created by a current passing through. We'll take passing through a rectilinear wire, a circular loop, and solenoid. And we'll talk about all the characteristics of the magnetic field in this case. And then we'll take the Laplace's force, which is the electromagnetic force. Now, the second part, we'll talk about the electromagnetic induction phenomenon, which will be divided into the definition of this phenomenon, when does this phenomenon exist. And the second one, we'll talk about the magnetic flux. We'll talk about the magnetic flux, which is a constant, and then which is variable. And when I talk about the variable magnetic flux, then we'll talk about the variation of B, S, and theta, وده هنشوفهم. And then the third part will be the laws, which are the Lenz's law of induction, Faraday's law of induction, and Ohm's law of the coil. Now, in these cases, when I talk about the Lenz's law and the Faraday law, here we'll see that these two laws are used in order to find what we call the induced electric current, or the existence of an induced electric current and its direction.